Good morning, students. Today we are doing accountancy, and the chapter we are continuing change in profit sharing ratio. The topic is when reserves and accumulated profits are not to be transferred to capital account. Okay, so when we started this chapter, I already told you, remember those things. Change in profit sharing ratio is a situation of reconstitution of the firm. So whenever there is a reconstitution, we have to calculate or value the goodwill. Then we have to do the treatment for goodwill. Then accumulated profits, losses, anything is there in the balance sheet, we have to distribute that also. So when we distribute that, there are two cases. Either partner can distribute the whole amount to their capital account, or if they do not want to distribute, they want to continue with the general reserve in the new balance sheet also, or the profit and loss account in the new balance sheet, they can do like that. Okay, so today already we discussed if they want to distribute, what to do. So when they want to distribute, what to do, we discussed in the last class. They have to share in their old ratio. Now if they do not want to distribute, suppose profit and loss account balance is there, general reserve is there, or investment fluctuation reserve, or workman compensation reserve, anything is there, or any accumulated loss is there on the asset side of the balance sheet. So if they don't want to distribute, matlab they don't want to take away those amount, means in the new balance sheet those amount will appear in the coming years also, means after reconstitution also those amount will be appearing in the next year balance sheet. Understood? So here what they will do, they will adjust amongst the partners. So how we did goodwill treatment adjustment, we calculate the sacrifice or gain, then we adjust the amount. So you remember, I think so, just like that only we have to do for what accumulated profits and reserves also. Understood? No? Okay, so when we discuss the topics, you will, it will be clear. Now see, just mean in if in case of change in profit sharing ratio, plan is written. Okay, there are reserves and accumulated profits appearing in the balance sheet, and the partners decide to leave the reserves and profits undistributed. Okay, I told you already, they want to they don't want to distribute the reserves and profit. So it will be necessary to pass and adjusting the entry for the same. So here they will not divide the amount in their old ratio. So dividing the amount in old ratio matlab they are taking the whole amount. So adjustment entry means only the sacrifice or gain they calculate, and the gaining partner will give to the sacrificing partner. Okay, whatever amount adjusted, so the gaining partner is gaining some amount, that much amount he will be giving to the sacrificing partner. Okay, so the real amount or the actual amount of reserve or profit, it will be there in the balance sheet as it is. Okay, so that means gaining partner has to compensate the sacrificing partner. Okay, so we'll discuss one question. So here A and B are partners in a firm. You can see here A and B in the ratio 4 is to 3. On March 31st 2016, their balance sheet showed a general reserve of rupees 35,000. On that day they decided to admit Sevak as a partner, and the new profit share ratio will be 5 is to 3 is to 2. Okay, so one new partner is admitted also, and they want to change their so automatically when new partner is admitted, the ratio will change. Okay, so the old ratio was 4 is to 3, here it is, and the new ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. So pass record necessary journal entries in the books of the firm under the following circumstances. When they want to transfer general reserve to the capital account, this is the first case we already studied, but here also I included. Okay, next is when they don't want to transfer general reserve in their capital account, then prefer to record adjustment entry for the same. So remember, always when they don't want to distribute means always what to do, they have to do adjustment entry. But for goodwill, always adjustment entry only. Don't want to distribute or don't want to take away the goodwill, like that no option is available there. So for goodwill always you have to do with what, in this chapter change in profit sharing ratio chapter, goodwill treatment, how to do? Goodwill amount you have to divide in sacrifice or gain ratio. You have to calculate and divide accordingly. But accumulated profits or reserve you can do in both ways. Either you can divide in old ratio or you can divide in sacrifice or gain. So when we divide in old ratio, when they want to distribute, okay, when we divide in sacrifice or gaining ratio, when they do not want to distribute. So this only the difference. Understood? No, goodwill always in sacrifice or gaining ratio only, but these items we have options, two cases, two options we have. If they want to distribute, it will be divided in old ratio. If they don't want to distribute, it should be distributed according to their sacrifice or gain. Okay, so the answer will see. First case, what? When they want to distribute the general reserve to their capital. So when they want to distribute this, you see, want to distribute means they are taking away the whole amount. Then which ratio you have to apply? Old ratio you have to apply. Understood? So here old ratio is 4 is to 3. Understood? So only who will take? A and B will take. Here new ratio is not applied. No sacrificing ratio, no gaining ratio. Only old ratio you have to take. And who will get that amount? Only the old partners will get. New partners will not get. Okay. So general reserve 35,000 is the amount. What is old ratio is? Old ratio is 4 is to 3. In that ratio, if you divide this 35,000, you will be getting 20,000 and 15,000. Okay, that is the thing. When they don't want to, when they want to distribute general reserve. Now next case we'll see, when partners do not want to distribute the general reserve to their capital account. If they don't want to distribute, so automatically what first we have to do is, we have to do what? Sacrifice or gain we have to calculate. Okay, so old ratio is here, new ratio is here, sacrifice or gain already we did that. Okay, so now you can apply any one equation. Here they applied sacrificing ratio equation, that is what? Old ratio minus new ratio. So sacrificing ratio equation is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, so old ratio for A is 4 by 7. 4 is to 3 here. So 4 by 7 minus new ratio 5 by 10. Understood? So we can take multiply and take LCM 70. 70 by 7. 70 by 7, how much? 10. 10 into 4, 40. Minus 70 by 10, how much? 7. 7 into 5, 35. So 40 minus 35, 5 by 10. It is sacrifice only. In sacrifice ratio equation, it is coming positive. So it is sacrifice. Now for B also same ratio we apply. 3 by 7 minus 3 by 10. So it is coming 9 by 70 sacrifice. Understood? No? So here okay, now the new ratio also you are taking here. So when you do not want to distribute means new partner also included, because next year onwards he also will be there. No, you don't want to distribute this year means the portions will be going to him also after next year. So that one we have to calculate now. Now who is gaining? Of course the new partner will be gaining. So new partner's share is how much? New ratio 2 by 10. So 2 by 10 only. For him no old ratio is there, so no need to minus. So it is directly what? Gain only. Clear? No? Because Sevak is a new partner. So only for old partners we can write old ratio minus new ratio, or new ratio minus old ratio. But the new partner, there is no old ratio. So his new ratio direct we will write. So his new ratio is what? See here, his new ratio is 2. 2 by 10. So that 2 by 10 directly we can write. So, or we can here also 70 70 denominator. So here also we can convert it into 70. So 10 into 7. So the same number on with the numerator also. So 2 into 7, 14 by 70. So he is gaining. Now who will give it to whom? Gaining partner. This Sevak is the new partner. He will give it to A and B. Okay. So how much? What is the amount? 35,000 is the amount. So if we divide it in these ratios, we'll be getting, so Sevak is giving to A and B. So Sevak account debtor, who is gaining, that partner should be debited. So gaining partner should be debited, sacrificing partners will be credited. So Sevak's account debtor to A's capital to B's capital. Okay, so 35,000 into 14 by 70 is Sevak's portion, that he is giving 5 by 70 to A and 9 by 70 to B. See here, 5 plus 9 will be 14. Okay, so like this you have to pass journal entry if they do not want to distribute, transfer the general reserves to their capital account. Understood? No? Okay, now this much only. So according to question you have to do. Okay, next another question we'll discuss. See here, this is a little big question like, but only the what necessary items we'll be taking. So here two partners, Diya and Pooja, here they are in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Okay, so balance sheet is given. So here what we are studying about, accumulated profits and reserves. So in the balance sheet you see any profits reserve is given. So liability side first we'll see general reserve is there, profit and loss account is there. The profit and loss account liability side means profit, the same profit and loss account if it is coming here in the asset side, here if it is coming P and L, then it is what, loss, remember that. Okay, then investment fluctuation fund is there. Okay, so three types of reserves profits are there in liability side. Now asset side you see any loss is there. See here, advertisement suspense, one item is there. So this is nature of loss, this is loss nature, and these three are profit nature. Okay, understood? No? Okay, so once again I tell you, this general reserve. Okay, 1 minute. Hmm. This one, general reserve, then profit and loss account, then investment fluctuation fund. Okay, now that side, loss nature, either P&L or advertisement suspense. This only the normally these two items will be appearing on the asset side. So advertisement suspense and loss nature. So these three are profit nature and this is loss nature. Now you see, so the partners decided that with effect from 1st April 2015, they would share profit and losses equally. So here ratio changed to equal ratio. So old ratio 3 is to 2. In the future, they are going to decide divide it on equal 1 is to 1. So two partners. Now for this purpose, they decided that investment is to be valued at rupees 60,000. Okay. Now investment fluctuation fund we discussed, no? So here investment fluctuation fund is there, 12,600. What is our investment? 66,000, correct? Now investment valued at 60,000. So 60,000 is the value of investment. What is the amount invested? 66, but we are getting now only 60,000. This is the market value. Okay, so what is loss or profit? 66,000 का चीज है, अभी उसको 60,000 मिल रहा है. That means what? 6,000 loss. That 6,000 loss we can compensate with what? This fluctuation fund. So 12,600 already we saved and kept. So is it sufficient? Yes, we can already, the fund is there. So this loss we can cover from that 12,600. If any remaining amount, partners can distribute. But the case is they do not want to distribute. Okay, so what to do? Sacrifice or gaining ratio we have to apply. Okay, so after covering the loss, how much will be remaining? 6,600. So 12,600 is there, from that 6,000 will minus, so remaining amount is 6,600. Okay, that you keep in mind. Now goodwill also there, goodwill to be valued at 24,000. Okay, general reserve not to be distributed between the partners. They are saying general reserve not to be distributed between the partners. So general reserve they don't want to distribute. That means other items they can distribute. Means they can distribute in the old ratio. समझ में आया ना? So general reserve not to be distributed. Goodwill already I told you, goodwill how to distribute? In sacrifice or gain only. General reserve do not want to distribute means that also in sacrifice or gain only. And other things remaining, no, that we can do in old ratio, because for them they are not saying anything. Okay, so when they say specifically the informations, so you have to do accordingly. Understood? So here, one on one blank page I kept for calculating what, this one, sacrifice or gain. First we calculate. So how to calculate the sacrifice or gain? So here, two partners are there, who, Divya and Pooja. Okay, Divya, Pooja, two partners are there, so their old ratio is 3 is to 2, and new ratio is, this is old ratio, new ratio is what, 1 is to 1. Okay, now what is the sacrifice or gain? So sacrifice ratio equation is what? Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So for Dia I am writing D is equal to old ratio 3 by 5 minus new ratio 1 by 2. So 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So here LCM will come 10. So 10 by 5, 2, 2, 2 3s are 6, minus 10 by 2, 5, 5 into 1, 5. So 1 by 10. Okay, this is what, only sacrifice only, because it's coming positive in the sacrifice ratio equation. Now for Pooja will calculate. P is equal to, Pooja's old ratio is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so how will come? 10 is the LCM. 10 by 5, 2, 2 into 2, 4, minus 10 by 2, 5, 5 into 1, 5. So here what is coming? Minus 1 by 5. That means here it is gain. Okay, understood? No, gaining ratio equation or sacrificing ratio equation you apply, no problem, but I am applying here sacrificing ratio equation. So sacrificing ratio equation, positive means it is sacrifice only. If it is coming negative, then it is gain. Okay, okay, now we have to divide in this ratio. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5, one person is sacrifice, another person is gaining. Pooja is gaining, the Divya is sacrificing. Understood? No? Okay, now which amount you have to divide in this ratio? Already I told you what are the adjustment they have given. We'll see here. Investment, okay, goodwill to be valued 24,000. So goodwill 24,000. Then actually after writing it will not move. Okay, 24,000, and general reserve not to be distributed. So goodwill we have to divide in sacrifice or gain. General reserve also we have to divide in sacrifice or gain. So what we can do, this we can, both we can add and distribute in sacrifice or gaining ratio, because they both are in same nature, same ratio to be applied. For the general reserve also sacrifice gain we have to apply. Goodwill already I told you, goodwill always you have to apply sacrifice or gain ratio only in this chapter. Okay, so first we find out the net amount of total amount. Okay, so goodwill is how much? 24,000. Then general reserve is 23,400. Sorry, 10 is more. General reserve 23,400. Goodwill 24. These both amount you have to divide in sacrifice or gain. So whatever they are saying, no, do not want to distribute, what you have to do, you have to distribute it in sacrifice or gain. So what is the sacrifice or gain? 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So you calculate the 1 by 5 of this, and it will be coming, sorry, not 1 by 5, 1 by 10, sorry, 1 by 10. So 47,400, 1 by 10 will be 4740 will be coming. So this, who is gaining? Divya. Both of them 1 by 10 only, so no need to calculate again. So who is gaining? Divya is gaining. So Divya's account debtor to, sorry, Pooja is gaining. Pooja's account debtor to Divya's account will come for these two items. And what about other items? Other items we can divide in old ratio. Which items? Other items are profit and loss account you can divide in old ratio. Investment fluctuation reserve after the loss, covering the investment loss, you can divide in old ratio. Advertisement suspense also you can divide in old ratio. Clear, no? So whatever they are saying, no, don't want to distribute only that item in sacrifice or gaining ratio, and the goodwill always in sacrifice or gaining ratio. Don't forget it. That's why I'm telling again. Okay. So here we can see the journal entry. So first item, profit and loss account. Profit and loss account in which ratio? Old ratio. Because they are not saying they do not want to. They are not saying means it is they want to distribute. So profit and loss account debtor to Divya and Puja. Old ratio divided. So 4,000 to 400, 1,600. Investment fluctuation fund also 12,600 is there. So the loss is how much? 6,000. 66,000 is the value of investment. Now it becomes 6,000. So 6,000. Then Divya's capital, Pooja's capital, remaining amount 12,600 minus 6,000. So remaining how much will be coming? 6,600. This 6,600 in old ratio they divide. So it is coming this and this. Okay. Now this one more goodwill is there in the that I forgot to tell you. One more goodwill is there in the balance sheet. I'll show you in the question. Okay, question you can see here. One more goodwill is here. So this goodwill is old goodwill. This goodwill also partners can distribute. Partners can take away the amount of goodwill. That means any goodwill appearing in the balance sheet, that is purchased goodwill, that goodwill is belongs to the old partners, that old partners will take. Understood, no? Any adjustment goodwill, this is adjustment goodwill 24,000, that should be divided in sacrifice or gain. But clearly understand please, but any goodwill appear in the asset side of the balance sheet, that goodwill will be distributed in old ratio. Okay, so for that also we will pass, means we will write off the old goodwill. So for that we will write what? Diya's capital, Pooja's capital to goodwill. So goodwill asset side it is appearing means asset, goodwill have a debit balance. So now to close that goodwill you have to credit it, then only it will close. If you debit it again it will get the debit balance and it will not close. Understood? So partners will be taking this amount to from into from their capital account. So it will come on the debit side of capital account. Understood, no? So debit side of capital account means partners are withdrawing the amount, or partners are partners account getting minused. Okay. Okay, now the three entries over. So profit and loss account divided in old ratio. IFR after the loss we divided in old ratio. Then the goodwill, this goodwill, understood, no? Balance sheet asset side goodwill, that also divided in old ratio. Now advertisement suspense also, what we have to do? Loss it is, that should be debited in partners capital account. So it is means this item is of asset side, so it should be credited. To cancel it, it should be credited. Advertisement suspense, partners capital account will be debited. That means this item will be appearing on the capital account debit side. Okay, now for two items, general reserve and goodwill, I already told you sacrifice or gain we have to apply. We calculated the amount also. So what is that amount? 4,740. Okay, so see here, you can see here 4,740. Puja is gaining. Puja's capital to Divya's capital account. Understood, no? So for goodwill, adjustment goodwill, not the balance sheet goodwill. So adjustment goodwill and the general reserve amount we added together and divided it in sacrifice or gain. Okay, so this is the journal entry. Now they are asking for the revised balance sheet also. So revised balance sheet, all items will appear in the same amount except what? Partners capital account. Partners capital account will change because partners capital account some additions we have made, that will change. Other than that all other items will appear in the same way. So land and building balance sheet we will study later. So just for information now you write it. Okay, so I'll discuss it later in a detailed way. So land and building you can see in the question and compare, so it is difficult for me to go back, that's why land and building same amount 20. Yes, 20,000. Goodwill will not come because goodwill already taken. Okay. Land and building 20,000. Investment 60 will come. 60, yes, 60. That also they distributed in old ratio. Then sundry debtors 18,600. Bills receivable 7,400. Cash in hand 11,100. No change in that. Okay. Sundry creditors also 9,800. General reserve. General reserve they do not want to distribute. That is why it is appearing here again. Clear? No? Okay, 23,400. So P and L account investment fluctuation they have distributed it. They distributed it in old ratio. So whatever they distributed in old ratio, it will not come in the new balance sheet. What you are doing with the sacrificing ratio, it will come. But not the point there also, because goodwill never comes, because goodwill is internally generated goodwill. Balance sheet goodwill if appear, that also they will write off. Okay. So balance sheet next class we will study in detail. So this much only for today. And capital account balance, if you prepare capital account from the journal entry and the opening capital balance, just you prepare the capital account and see, you will be getting this amount 55, 80 and 28, 820. Okay. So I hope you understood. Any doubt, please contact me. Okay, thank you. This much only for today. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.